would gladly live out of a backpack if it meant I could see the world. To awaken quite alone in a strange town is one of the pleasantest sensations in the world. A ship in harbor is safe, but that is not what ships are built for. You must go on adventures to find out where you truly belong. We must go beyond textbooks, go out into the bypaths and untrodden depths of the wilderness and travel and explore and tell the world the glories of our journey. I'd rather look back at my life and say I can't believe I did that instead of saying I wish I did that. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. The best trips, like the best love affairs, never really end.